I've heard this in every single classroom. I do it myself, and it's just really important for us to think about. These are questions that drive Els bananas, and I put bananas up there because Sarah did this great activity today where she's telling her students, don't drive me bananas. So I put that up there because it's so important. She taught that idiom to her students. And it's really, really important for us to be sensitive to that, not so that we don't use them, but so that we teach them. She did a great thing the other day where she had put on paper, what a beautiful morning it is, or something like that. But she made the point that sometimes when we say what, we're not asking a question, we're making an exclamation. And she made the point about the punctuation, because that can be very confusing for Els. They hear, because they're taught question words, right? So this is more like a comment.
I'm going to give you oral directions. That's sort of like what Nan was talking about. I'm going to give you some directions, and those directions are going to use as much math language as I can. And if you wanted to, you could generate a big long list of all the math vocabulary that you can use. And you're going to follow my directions and see if you get the same design that I have. Okay, so please take one large triangle. Put it in front of you so that the base of it, which is the longest side, is facing towards you. Take the other large triangle and lay short side to short side off the right-hand top corner of the first triangle so you form a parallelogram. So take your medium triangle and use the base, which is the long side of your medium triangle, to slide up against your original triangle so that they're completely equal. And you now have a trapezoid. Now take your square and slide your square underneath that original triangle so that it's centered. One side of the square is touching exactly the base of your first triangle. And now take your two small triangles, form a square with them, and slide them up underneath that square you just put down. And now take your parallelogram and lay your parallelogram along the left of the main part of your design so that the parallelogram and the medium triangle share a side completely. You have garbage, so we have two more rows. That's 3.
Uh-oh.
And finally, 8.
Oh.
Okay. Who thinks they're as close to 5,000? They're closer to 5,000 than anybody else here. Maybe. Yes, what do you think, Barb?
I've got 6,235.
6,235. So there's a lot of question here. You could draw a number line and you could say, so how far away are you? She's 1,235 away. Yeah, Courtney?
5,263.
Oh, 5,263.
I didn't.
She is. You had that too. All right. So 3 people were actually almost 1,000 closer, right? to know exactly, but just that whole idea of 1,000 closer. Turn to your neighbor and discuss the value of those pieces.
How you doing there, neighbor? I got the squares, two medium triangles.
So you could put 2 in there.
So,
Two of these.
so Barb, these we know what these are. So we know what this is. Okay. So now we can say that this is 4, 6, 8. This is 4.
A 7-piece square.
Nice, nice, very nice.
Okay, guys, the ESL teacher finally got it.
I would like everybody to listen as Nan gives one clue about how you might go about building your square if you've forgotten. What's one clue?
To remember that a square is made up of 2 triangles.
Because that's how you start. That's how you start. And you mirror that.
So you would want to start by building a large triangle.
For some reason, I had to turn the triangle to face me. I don't know why.
Yes, use this piece next. Because otherwise,
tried
and
that.
flip it. No, you're good. Flip it. Yep, and lay it there.
Turn it
Nope.
up in here. Yes.
There, nice.
No.
Yeah, because I'm still.
Well, just move that.
So then that goes off,
Square. There you go.
and then do the 2 triangles.
Good job, man.
Want to do 4 plus 4?
All right.
Another 4 to say that. Is there an 8 to cover up? I think you might want to choose a different one.
Remember where that 7 was?
All right, is there a 5? All right, then decide on that. Cover up.
9 parts?
Okay. Okay, let's do it this way. Let me change the board. What if you each have your own board?
Devon, it's your turn. You want to make the number 10, and you're going to ask Cassidy.
Okay, it's Kashav's turn.
Where were you? Now, since you made a match, you get to go
Is
again.
that your best move to cover up?
2, 3, 4.
I don't want to go again.
Okay.
It's gonna give me 1 if I go again.
I know, but
And I know.
that's okay. That's a strategy.
6.
One way to play the game.
You can go all the way to 6. I'll go again.
They already have some
I want to keep
combinations.
jumping. What is it?
Number 10 and 0.
6 plus 4 is
10.
good. You should go right up.
You have in your hand some combinations.